What if you could create stunning best-selling print-on-demand designs without having any graphic design skills? And start making passive income today. Sounds too easy, right? Imagine generating hundreds of eye-catching, trendy designs in just minutes, each tailored to skyrocket your sales on Etsy, Redbubble, or Amazon. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just starting your print-on-demand journey, AI can effortlessly turn your simple ideas into high-demand designs. Stick around, because I'm about to show you exactly how to turn your creativity into cash with just a few clicks. Let's dive in. I was talking about Kittl. It's a well-known and popular platform for creating stunning designs. However, now it's more powerful with AI features. I will put the link in the description. Just head over there. And once you're on this page, click on Try Kittl for free from here and then create an account. Once you're logged in, your interface will be like this. Here you can see some of my previous projects. After that, you will find all the templates, and at the bottom, you will find all the AI tools. Here on the left side, you can access all the templates. You will find a bunch of options here, including merchandise, marketing, social, stationery, branding, business, and covers. You can select anyone and customize as per your needs. However, let's start from scratch. First of all, we have to create a project. Click on the New Project button from here. Now we have to choose the artboard size. You will find all the popular sizes of print-on-demand and other elements. For example, I want to create a t-shirt design. So, you can select the t-shirt option from here, or select various merchandise sizes from here. After selecting the size, click on the Create button from here. Okay, our artboard is created. Now here on the left side, you will find all the templates. Now select the product category as per your needs. After that, find the best template or which one you want to use. Once you find the best one, you can enter into the canvas and customize it as per your needs. However, I won't use any template. Instead of that, I will use AI to create a custom design. Here on the left side, you will find all the tools. The most interesting one is this Kittl AI. Here you will get access to tools like Image Generator, Sets Generator, Image Restyle, and Design Generator. We will talk about all these. First, let's start with Design Generator. Okay, this is the Design Generator interface. Now first of all, we have to select the design category. You can generate logo, t-shirt, sticker, poster, social post, and advertisement designs from here. I am selecting the t-shirt. After selecting the design type, we have to enter the concept of the design. For example, I want to generate a Y2K aesthetics design, a trendy design at this moment. And I am typing, a butterfly made from digital bits and neon lights. After entering the prompt, we have to set the styling. You can set the color palette from here, or enter the text prompt here in this box. I am entering a custom style, such as neon blue, purple, with soft glowing effects. After that, set the style. Here you will find a bunch of options. As I want to generate Y2K style, I am selecting Y2K style. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button. It will take some time. And here it is. Kittl AI generates 4 designs for us. Now you can add anyone from here, or add all of them by clicking on the Add All from here. And you can see that all the designs have been added. However, I want to go with this design, so I am adding only this design. This is not just an image, it's a complete design. You can customize everything from here. From text, image, to clip art, everything is customizable. Here at the top, you will find some options. The Kittl Copilot tool will help customize the design. For example, I want to customize the butterfly. Once you select the image, you will find some options and also some related assets. However, I want to create another style of this butterfly. So, I am selecting the Restyle tool. After selecting the Restyle tool, you have to enter the style you want to generate. I am typing neon. After that, set the style strength and then hit the Generate button. And here it is. You can see that the neon style of the butterfly is ready. Now you can replace the image with the existing one. Now you can do further customization from here. However, I will replace the image with a new one. So, I am selecting the Replace Image tool. Now we have to enter the prompt here in this box. I am entering a ready prompt. After entering the prompt, hit the Generate button. It will take some time. And here it is. You can see that the image has been replaced with a very beautiful new butterfly. And I like this. Now you can customize the rest of the design as per your needs. You can customize the text. I already made a detailed video on it. You can watch it from the I button. Okay, after completing the customization, I got a design like this. And I think it's quite a good design. Now you can download the design image to your device and use it on any print-on-demand platform. So now we can create any kind of print-on-demand designs and sell them on any platform. However, if you want to make some real money, you need some promotional material too. Don't worry, Kittl AI will help you create promotional material. First of all, you need good quality mockups. Now you can create mockups with this design. To do that, click on the mockup tool from here. By default, it's a simple t-shirt mockup here. Now you can adjust the size and position of the design. Once done, you can download the mockup image. Okay, now to create a more attractive mockup, come to the left side. Here you will find a vast number of mockup templates. You just have to find the best one. Once the mockup image is set, adjust the size and the position of the design, and then download the image. And here it is. The final view of the mockup looks like this. This is just amazing. So now in this method, you can create high-quality mockups using Kittl AI. Okay, social media can be the best way to promote your product. And to promote the product on social media, you need a good design. To create a high-quality social post, go to the Kittl AI tab and then select the Design Generator tool. This time, we have to select the social post option from here. Now, enter the topic here in this box. For example, I am typing a t-shirt design ad. After entering the prompt, set all other settings and then hit the Generate button. And here it is. Like before, Kittl generates 4 designs for us. You just have to select the best one. For example, I am selecting this one. Now I will customize the design. First of all, I will adjust the position of the text block. Once done, we have to enter our t-shirt mockup image. To do that, click on the upload icon from here and then upload the image. I am uploading this image. Once the image is uploaded, insert it into the canvas. Now, here you can notice that our image has a white background. To remove the background, click on the Remove Background option from here. And here it is. You can see the background has been removed. Now we have to place the product image on the existing image like this. And our design is ready. You can customize more to make it perfect. Once done, click on the Share button and then download the image. Okay, in the same method, you can create an advertisement using the Advert tool from here. After selecting the design type, enter the prompt and settings, and then hit the Generate button. Once the designs are ready, enter the best one into the canvas, and after that, customize the design as per your needs. You can also create a poster for your product that will help you to promote your product like this. So, now you can create amazing designs for your print-on-demand business, and to promote the product, you have a bunch of options to create promotional materials. All in one platform. Alright, now let's talk about some more interesting features of Kittl AI. With this image restyle tool, you can restyle any of your images and use them in your design. After coming to this page, you have to upload the image you want to restyle. Once the image is uploaded, describe the target image style, or select the style image. Once done, click on Add Image and Style, and here it is, our restyled image. This is amazing. So now you can turn any image into another style with a single click and add it to your project. Kittl AI also has the Image Generator tool. There are 2 methods of generating images from a text prompt: Turbo and Advanced. The Turbo mode is easy to use, but if you want to generate more customized results, then you have to use the Advanced mode. The Advanced mode allows you to access popular image generator tools, Flux Pro, and Ideogram. After selecting the image generator model, enter the text prompt here in this box. I entered a prompt for a t-shirt design related to a clock and time. After entering the prompt, set the aspect ratio, mode, and visual style. Once everything is set, hit the Generate Image button. And here it is, the image is ready. And look at the quality. Now you can customize the image and create an amazing t-shirt or any kind of design. If you don't like the image, you can regenerate the image using a different image generator model. Alright, there is another amazing tool available on Kittl AI called the Set Generator. If you want to generate different kinds of assets, like images or clip art, in a specific style and settings with just one click, then this tool is for you. After selecting the tool, enter the subject name here in these boxes. After entering the subject text, you have to set a style. You can upload a style reference image from your device. I am uploading a pixel art style image. Once done, click here to generate the images. And here it is. Kittl AI Set Generator generates 6 images for 6 different subjects. Every image is different, but the style, color palette, and lighting are very consistent. So, now you can create a similar kind of consistent image in a single click using Kittl AI. Not only t-shirt designs, but you can also generate any kind of design or material on Kittl. Its huge template library and premium assets make it different from other tools. And now, with AI features, it becomes more powerful. So, if you are a designer, don't forget to try this tool. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience of creating t-shirt designs with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!